So the G5 mirror is designed to sandwich the windshield in that slot and that slot. So you kind of have to put it on, spread it apart, and get it in shape first on the windshield. Now you can see it's placed in place. You can see the windshield is in the slot. Windshield is in the slot. And now you basically just mark these two back holes with a Sharpie to start with. So it's easiest to mark it with one of these punches, spring punches. So that way you can see really good from the back and make sure it's aligned perfectly. And now you have it center punched ready to drill. These step drills are kind of the easiest way to do it. That way you don't have to center punch it and it's less likely to break the windshield. They say drill it to 7/16, but if you go to 1/2 inch, it'll give you a little bit more room to work with. So that's how it looks all installed. It's level, it lines up with the slots in the windshield for it on both sides. And screws are centered in the back. Be careful when putting the screws in that they line up with the brass insert, or it's easy to strip them out. And that's all to do with making sure your hole is perfectly straight from the back before you drill it.